Built in 1818, Gun Hill Signal Station was the nerve centre of a British military warning system. After a major slave rebellion in 1816, the British needed eyes everywhere, and this hill gave them a 360-degree view of the island and the sea. Using flags by day and lanterns by night, messages were sent from Gun Hill to 5 other signal stations, warning of enemy ships, calling the militia, or alerting the island in emergencies. But this wasn't just about defence. Gun Hill represents the intense fear of rebellion and the tight control of colonial power in the 19th century. Now restored as a heritage site, Gun Hill doesn't just offer breathtaking views. It reminds us how history was watched, signalled and controlled.